What's up? In this short video, we're looking at the types of carbon in most organic carbon structures. So the first one we're looking at is primary carbon. So what's a primary carbon? So a primary carbon is a carbon atom that is attached to only one other carbon atom. It is also called a 1 degree or 1st degree carbon atom. So if you look at this structure right here, let me number it first. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 carbon atoms here. The carbon atom that is attached to only one other carbon atom is the 1st degree carbon atom. So this one is the 1st degree because it is attached only to this one here. This carbon 4 is also a 1st degree carbon atom because it's attached only to this carbon 3. So the 1st degree carbon is always at the extreme. It's always at the extreme end of the carbon chain, always at the extreme like this. That's where they are located. So let's take the next one. The second one is the 2nd degree or secondary carbon atom. And this is a carbon atom that is attached to 2 other carbon atoms. So we have a structure like this. Let's number it first. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 4 carbon atoms here. I'm looking for the secondary carbon. That is the one that is attached only to 2 other carbon atoms. So this one here is primary, as established earlier. Why this one here is a secondary carbon? Because it is linked to this carbon 3 and it's also linked to carbon 1. So carbon 2 is a secondary carbon. Another one here is carbon 3. Carbon 3 is also a secondary carbon because it is linked to carbon 4 and it's also linked to carbon 2. So that's all you need to know about the secondary carbon or 2nd degree carbon. The next one is a 3rd degree carbon. So 3rd degree carbon is also called tertiary carbon, and this is a carbon atom that is linked to 3 other carbon atoms. So you have a structure like this. So if you look at this structure, you notice something. Let me number it first. Let me just call this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you notice that carbon 3 is a 3rd degree carbon. Why? Because you have this carbon 3 being attached to carbon 4. It's also linked to carbon 1 and it is linked to carbon 2. So a carbon atom that is linked to 3 other carbon atoms is called a tertiary or 3rd degree carbon atom. The next one is a 4th degree carbon atom or the quaternary carbon atom, and this is a carbon atom that is linked to 4 other carbon atoms. Now, if you look at this structure, let me number it first. So, if I'm looking for the 4th degree carbon, that will be a carbon atom that is attached to 4 other carbon atoms. So, this one here is a tertiary carbon or a 4th degree carbon because it is connected to this carbon atom, it's connected to this one, it's connected to this one, and it's connected to this one. So this carbon 4 is a 4th degree carbon atom. So I hope you understand. So type your answer in the comment section. If you are new here, don't forget to like and follow and share this video with your friends.